now what do they have over here? Hey, this is something that don't look familiar. What is this, guys? A Fusion? A Ford Fusion? Wait a minute. Titanium. What is so special about this? And what is he doing? Alright, got some parts off. I don't know, guys. I want to see what's under the hood. I'm about to let this thing down, guys. We're going to be nosy a little bit, alright? I don't need y'all to snitch on me because these guys hate when I come over here messing with stuff. I don't know. I can't tell if it's a 4-cylinder or a V6. But, y'all know what? Hold tight. Let's let this down and be a little extra nosy. Hold on. Ooh, ready, guys. Let's take a, EcoBoost? Alrighty. I don't know. If it was traded in, they're just going through the motion of doing a used car inspection. Okay. Ford technology not much different than the other three top U.S. automakers, meaning GM, Ford, and Chrysler. All right. Now, let me say this, guys. Speaking of GM, Ford, and Chrysler, I went back and reviewed one of my buddies' channel, and I want y'all to go back and tell him this too. Okay, tell him JT said. What I'm talking about is Tim at Astro Auto Repairs. He had a live stream setting the other day. Some days me and Tim collide, our live stream fall on the same day. Well, anyway, this particular day, I didn't have time to be nosy and spy on him, right? So I had to go back and watch his video. Y'all go check his channel out. He got a great channel. Well, anyway, what I saw or what I heard was a little disturbing on the contrary. And what I'm talking about is they was talking about the cars that's least dependable or something like that. Now, he had some interesting take in that video. He was talking about the fact that nobody would mention American-made cars.
All right, check it out. Who has the longest record for the most dependable cars out there? Junior Cino, what's up? You know, it's funny. I was looking at the comments, and on the post we made, and nobody picked an American car. Everybody was going either Toyota or Honda. Now, my vote will be Honda. It's sad. It's sad that nobody picks an American made vehicle, even though the parts are made somewhere else. Nobody picked American car, and even the older American cars. You guys are naming the Buick, the Chevy, the Ford, but nobody notice nobody, and this is messed up. Nobody's saying Chrysler. So what does that say? That say from way back when Chrysler sucked.
Everybody was Honda, Toyota, things like that. Okay, now to a degree that could be true depending on your beliefs. But where I draw the line is when they start saying Chrysler is the least dependable. Okay, now I'm gonna have my facts and my data present when I do this video. I want y'all to stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna do this on a Tim go on tonight. Today is Wednesday. He go on tonight at 8. I go on tomorrow. On my tomorrow live stream, I need y'all to tune in because we're gonna address that video. I'm gonna bring up some interesting stats that pertains to sales. And one could argue with how is that fact true, what Tim was talking about. We're talking about dependability. So now bear in mind that's a difference between dependable and sales. People would buy undependable cars. I guess you could say it like that. But yeah, I'm gonna bring up some interesting facts on that video because one Mr. Tim Barnes at Astro Auto Repairs, oh man, they was just chuckling and laughing. Yeah, Chrysler's the least.
Well, I can't say that because we got that 1951 Chrysler, and back then they was good, but now, man, every time somebody says something about a Chrysler, the first thing that comes to mind is ticking. it just ticking, man. I got to admit that if you work at a Chrysler dealership, JT Online Mechanics, hella guy, Chris, they work for Chrysler, Hey, they got a permanent job for the rest of their life, man. Don't cause you ain't get out of here. You drive a neon, Rick? Oh my god, man. I gotta admit the neon was easy to work on, but still, man. Chrysler mechanic Bowie, what's up? I don't know. We should have just named this. What's the most suckiest car manufacturer out there? And I guarantee most people would have said Chrysler. What sucks, man? JT lives by Chrysler, man. But what we would say if a Hemi isn't ticking, it isn't running. Man, we can keep the resistor on here for old Chrysler. We got Tom Cook is good friends with JT, so we got to watch what we say about Chryslers. This is turning into a Chrysler talk show tonight. the bad things about Chrysler. I like that. I like what Lynn said. If a Hemi isn't ticking, isn't running. I like that mess, man. I'm sorry, man. Chrysler just suck. They gotta be the most lowest. I really like that Hugo back in the day. Ernesto, check it out. I had no. I'm sorry. I had the Renault Alliance. I'm sorry.
Him and his subscribers. Okay, we're gonna address this issue tomorrow night. Tonight, y'all check out his channel tonight, and I want y'all to go over there and tell me if they have anything else bad to say about the Chrysler product, the Dodge Chrysler G product. All right, because I'm not gonna stand for it. You see what I'm saying? So tomorrow, y'all tune into my live stream. We're gonna address that issue. I'm gonna pull up footage from that video. All right, because it was a little disturbing. I'm sorry, it's disturbing. All right, I dare Mr. Tim at Astro Auto Repairs with a nice huge channel with about 100,000 subscribers say something bad about the Chrysler product. No. So, like I say, guys, y'all tune into that video and watch him tonight. He gonna be on tonight, 8 o'clock. You ain't doing nothing, go catch my dude out. And I need y'all help tomorrow, Thursday. All right, we're gonna have to Tom, Cook, Heller, Chris, all you Chrysler dudes out there. We're gonna have to straighten this fact out, because in my opinion, Chrysler is not the least dependable. All right, it's hard to argue that point if sales are still being, if sales are high. We'll discuss the whole thing tomorrow night, guys. All right, for now, I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.